How to create OFO account. So if you want to create OFO account, then what you need to do is first make sure that you've installed the OFO application. You need to open or launch the application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to go with the bottom, and here you will have an option of continue with your Google or your Facebook. So if you want to create your account, then you can go with any one of these options. So I'll just simply go with continue with Google, and you need to select the account that you would like to choose to create your account and go with continue as that Google account, and it will take all of the information from your Google. Now you need to enter your nickname. After that, go with next, and you need to select your date of birth and go with next again. Go with yes, that's my age, and go with your gender. Go with next and select the age that you would like to and the gender, and then go with next, and you can upload your photo. Allow the access and then select the photo. After that, you can go with next, and then you can either skip this part or you can proceed. So I'll just simply go and skip this one for now, and that's it. Your account has been created. That's how you can create your OFO account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.